I must say that anyone can be robbed here. And I don't know, since last 5 years these stores have not been filled out. So hello guys, good afternoon, welcome to my channel. In this video we will be covering the Ghost Mall, which is also known as D Mall. So let's come and join this journey with me. So guys, first we will check whether this Ghost Mall has a toilet or not. I mean the washroom facility. Let's see. And on left hand side you have a Domino's store. And in this area there are many people who make Instagram reels. So as I checked, there is a signboard of washroom in front. This is the corridor area. And in front you have a kathi roll. I mean on left hand side. This is the exit gate. So this is the area where many people sit and relax. What a beautiful place for a photo, DSLR photo. As I am going further, this shopping center is almost empty. Only handful of people are there. On left hand side you have a McDonald's. And on right hand side you have Udupi Cafe and also a institute for learning some skills. Security guard is sitting here. Thankfully I have found a washroom here. So guys, as I zoom in, this area is perfect for a DSLR photo and also Instagram reels. Let's head towards the other area. So in front you can see the empty stores, but this one is biryani store. Now let's check this corridor. We will be checking the first floor. I don't know whether it is open or not. Let's come there. This is Time Out Hospitality Center. So guys, as I mentioned, this one is the ghost store and all these are empty. I came here around 2 to 3 years ago, but all this were totally empty. No one was there. So guys, this is also an empty one. No one is here. Imagine if a person is roaming here at night time, what will be his situation. So guys, as I am walking, nothing is here on both left and right hand side. All the stores here are empty. Let us check this area. This is also an empty. So I was correct that this area should be called as a ghost mall. And let me tell you the name of this center. The name of this shopping center is Eros Mall, which is also known as D Mall. And I don't know, since last 5 years these stores have not been filled out. There is no security here. And also the elevators are not working here. I must say that anyone can be robbed here. I am pretty much sure this elevator is not working. Let me check. I'm damn sure. This elevator is totally non-functional. I was almost correct. Only on the top floor of this shopping center you have your cinema, which is functional. Otherwise nothing is kept here. And this is the Burger King on right hand side. side. And this is the exit gate. And there is no security guard here. And it's a parking area below. And this is the bike parking area.
ये 0 हो जाएगी।
KFC. So this is the outer area of D Mall, which is also known as Eros Shopping Mall. You can see the BK Cafe. It is Burger King Cafe, and this is the Vada Pav roll on right hand side, and Domino store on right hand side also. And you have a Federal Bank here. So I'm walking through the corridor, and I hope I will be exploring the McDonald's. And you have other food outlets on right hand side. So guys, I shown you various sectors of this shopping center, and this area is beautiful for DSLR lovers and Instagram reel makers. So much of empty area that you can even play basketball or even volleyball or else badminton. And most of the elevators here are not working properly. At night this area is little lighty but also scary. Is it working? I was pretty much sure this area was not working. So guys, this was it from my side. Hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then please put a like and comment, and do share this video if possible. Thanks and take care.